53. One night there was a heavy snowstorm, and in the morning Mr. Smith's garden was full of deep snow. Mr. Smith wanted to take his car out, so he paid a man to clean the path from his garage to his gate. He said to the man, "Don't throw any snow on that side because it will damage the bushes in my garden. And don't throw any on the other side because it will break my fence. And don't throw any into the street or the police will be angry." Then Mr. Smith went out. When he came back, the path was clean and the snow from it was not on the bushes or the fence or the street. Mr. Smith was very pleased until he opened the garage to get his car out. The garage was full to the top with all the snow from the path, and his car was somewhere under it all.